Hello, boys and girls, and we are just rolling right along in the month of March. Today is the number after 8. Do you know what number's after 8? Oh, I hope so. 9. This is a 9. Upside down 6. This is a 9. Today is Tuesday because yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday, March 9, 2021. Now, we're not going to write that down today, but you can write it down on your own. And, well, if you need help, you can ask your grandpa or your grandma for something. Today is Tuesday, March 9, 2021. All right. Now, well, yesterday, Miss Morrissey was teaching you a lot of things in calendar, maybe some subtraction, maybe some word families. Well, we have some sight words this week that I want to show you. Make sure you're learning and seeing because you have to see to read. And we're going to write some sentences with them because being a reader is important, but being an author is fun, like Mary Pope Osborne in Magic Treehouse. And she writes a lot of sentences because she writes chapter books. Okay. The sight words that you've been seeing this week are, two. They're not very long because they're sight words. You just see them and you just know what they are. I'm going to use lowercase letters to write them. Do you know what that says? D-I-D, not B-I-B, D-I-D. Well, we can sound this one out. D-I-D. Those are the letters. Let's do the sounds. D, I, D. D, I, D. Put them all together. Did. D, I, D. Did. This is did, and it's no silent E, so it's a short I sound. I. Did. The other one, I'm writing lowercase letters. 4 letters. Let me tell you. Silent. It is silent. And you know what? This silent E is telling that E to say its name. Here. E-er. Here. Like, hey, come here, please. Here. Is the last sound, so the E is silent. Did hear. Did you write those words on your board? And you might say, yes, I wrote them right here. All right. I'm going to erase those because we're going to write a sentence. Now, I am going to write did and put a capital D. And do you know why it's going to have a capital D? It's going to be the first word. And you always capitalize the first letter in the first word of a sentence. Did. Now, uppercase, lowercase, but there's still D. They're the same letters. D, I, D, did. Did you brush your teeth? Did you brush your teeth? Ooh, question mark. Did you know that was a question mark? Did you brush your teeth? Yes. I did. Oh, I didn't know I was going to do that. I did right here. know if you're going to have enough room on your marker board to write that. You might have to write it on a piece of paper. Okay. Did you write your sentences? Oh goodness, Mary Pope Osborne will be impressed because you'll be writing chapter books before you know it. Okay. Let's read it. Some of you might still be writing it, but we're going to go on and read it because we don't want to run out of time. Did you brush your teeth? Did you brush your teeth? Yes, I did, right here. Okay. So, yes has something after it. Do you remember what that is? I kind of threw it in there last week with our date writing today's date. It's just like this. It's a comma. Yes, comma. I did right here. Now, a comma just kind of breaks up your sentence when you're reading it. Yes, I did right here. Did you brush your teeth? Yes, I did right here. Okay, if somebody asks you, did you brush your teeth? And you say, yes, I did right here. Well, where are you standing? Where's right here? Probably in the bathroom. They're probably standing in the bathroom when they said that. Yes, I did right here. Well, I wouldn't do it right here because I don't have a sink, and I'm at school. You don't really brush your teeth at school. Okay. I'm going to erase those sentences, and we're going to read it again. But did you notice there are double sight words in here? I'm going to get a green marker out, and I'm going to underline here. I don't know if you have green, but underline here, maybe with your pencil or your marker. Did was the first word we read. Did you brush your teeth? Yes, I did again. Did? Yes, I did, right here. There are two dids and one here. One did has all lowercase, and the other did has capital D at the beginning because it's at the beginning of the sentence. Capital Y for yes, because that's at the beginning of the sentence. Okay. Did you brush your teeth? Yes, I did right here. Okay. All right, now, we don't have too much time left, but thumbs up if you remember how to subtract. Double thumbs up if you remember how to subtract and add. Because if you can add and subtract, your brain is like super duper big. All right, now, when you add, your number gets bigger. But when you subtract, your number gets smaller. And Miss Morrissey has been doing an excellent job teaching you how to subtract. Well, I am going to help you learn as well by doing some number sentences. All right, so let's say Miss Morrissey has how many is that? Miss Morrissey has 8 balls. She is going to give some away. She's going to give some away. Well, hey, that's a win-win because she's sharing. Miss Morrissey has 8. She has 8, and she's going to subtract. That's minus. 8 minus. Miss Morrissey has 8. She gives 2 away. So I erased 2. 8 minus 2 equals, how many is left? How many did you get? 6. 8 minus 2 equals 6. 8. Take away 2. And how many is left? 6. Because when you subtract, you take away. 8 minus 2 equals 6. All right, another one. Mr. Wiseman has it won't take a while. How many is there? 10. Mr. Wiseman has 10, and do you know what these are? Suckers. These are suckers. Mr. Wiseman has 10 suckers. He's going to give away 8. 10 minus 8. Okay, so I'm going to give away 8. So I have to erase 8 because they're gone. I don't have them anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 8 equals, how many's left? 2. I had 10, and then I took 5, 6, 7, 8 away. I only have 2 left, because when you subtract, you take away. All right, 10 minus 8 equals 2. All right, one more. This one's going to be super duper hard. I'm not sure you're going to have enough room on your board to draw all of these. All right. 5, 10, 15. 15. Mr. Wiseman has 15. Not suckers. Do you know what these are? Balloons. Mr. Wiseman has 15 balloons. 15 minus, take away. Mr. Wiseman is going to pass out, well, he's very nice. He's very nice. He's going to pass out 5. I had 15. I erased 5 because I'm taking away 5. How many's left? Write it down. 10. 15. Take away 5 equals 10 left. And you know what? I'm so smart, I don't even have to count all those. I know this is 5 and this is 5. 5, 10. Because I can count by 5s. 5, 10. 15 minus 5 equals 10. Okay. I'm going to erase all of them. That was super duper hard, and I hope you didn't get tricked. Maybe you're going to have to practice a little bit more when I'm gone. All right, boys and girls, we'll see you next time. Bye.